What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I wanted to go ahead and do a review on the Central Machine 1500 watt steam cleaner kit, and I actually purchased this at Harbor Freight for $100. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing, and we'll see how it works as well right after this. What's up, guys? So I went ahead and purchased this, like I said, at Harbor Freight, and it was $100 plus tax. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. Couldn't find my knife, so for some reason I ended up finding my shuriken instead. Go figure. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep quiet right now. So all in all, this kit comes with 18 different pieces. You have your small brushes, you have your brass brush, large brush, jet, scrubber, upholstery brush, adapter, window attachment, squeegee, extension tubes, floor brush, floor cloth, and of course the steamer itself. So you do get quite a bit, and I was pretty impressed. So now I'm going to go ahead and just try it on different parts of the car, just to kind of like give an example. So right now I'm going to work on the door jambs. This is actually my first time working with a steamer, and let me tell you, man, it is so awesome to be able to, get the parts of the car cleaned without having to use, that much chemicals. So I really appreciate it. I'm sure my lungs do too as well. The other thing that I wanted to mention too is that you always want to keep this moving because you don't want to damage any part of the vehicle. So always keep that steamer moving. Don't keep it in one place. So right here I went ahead and decided to clean these pedals. They probably have not been clean, God, and who knows how long. This is on the 2003 Honda Civic. So went ahead and cleaned the brake pedal, the gas pedal, and the side footrest. I'm just using the one of the small brushes. It kind of has like a medium hardness to me. It doesn't feel like real crazy stiff or too soft, so it kind of sits like right in the middle. It definitely seems to get the job done, so I dig it. Using the steamer is just like it's so easy to clean. Like it seems like it cuts time in half. So I was so excited actually using this, and I wanted to do the rest of the car, but it actually started raining. So hopefully, maybe next week I'll be able to do a little bit more. So I went ahead and threw this part in too because I was like really impressed. I was like, man, I tried to clean this grout like, oh my god, with probably every chemical that I could that you could probably purchase, and yeah, I was really impressed. So I would definitely recommend trying this, especially if it's your first time using a steamer. I think this is a great start. For $100 and all the attachment it has, all the attachments that it has, and I mean, using it on your vehicle as well as indoors. I mean, you can use this, in the showers. You can use it. There's so many other places that you can use it too as well. So it's really, really versatile. Alright guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and hope everybody has an awesome day. Take care.